path.
Salty peanut butter?
Salty, interesting. Personally, I get more of like a
Bitter?
a citrus flavor. Do you get that at all?
Well, like maybe acidity, right? Like
Yeah.
So you just chew it?
I
or-
just chew on like the
Yeah,
white.
it is citrusy.
Yeah, I just chew
Yeah.
on like the white end and like the
Yeah.
green below it. Some people say gin, which kind of makes sense.
Oh.
Gin's brewed from a conifer or juniper.
Uh-huh.
That's where gin gets that unique flavor.
Yeah.
But I get like a citrusy, like a lemon or orangey flavor in there. And sure enough, it's in the needles that these trees store the sugars, all their vitamins that they need. Like, think about it, right? So photosynthesis, occurs. Let me test you guys. Do you guys know what part of the plant cell photosynthesis occurs in?
The wheat. Isn't it the wheat?
In the leaves, right? And what part of the leaf is actually generating, or is actually where the photosynthesis is occurring? The green part, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The
Right.
chlorophyll.
Oh,
Chlorophyll.
I was gonna say chlorophyll.
Okay, video's on you, Aaron.
Oh,
Aaron, are you good to keep breaking trail? Do you want me to hop up there?
I don't care. I mean, can you get in front of me?
I
You
can.
might
I
be
can.
better.
Yeah, it's up to you. If you're having fun, I say go for it. But I'm happy to help.
Well, I mean, I'm not very good at it. I mean,
I don't know. I'm gonna
You're
get any
like,
better.
That's the only way you get better at
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
you have to keep jacking up. Like,
Yeah, you kind of had to like lift them up and over the snow. It's a little tricky.
Good job.
always my left one is stuck.
You're like,
It seems like it's a little uphill right here.
yeah.
There's some variation in the terrain for sure. It's not totally flat.
I know when I did downhill skiing, I used to love the powder.
Yeah, the fresh, yeah.
Yep.
Freshies. Okay, so Glenn, for this uphill,
Yeah.
it gets harder because they've already tracked out the snow.
Right.
So it's harder when you don't have as much fresh powder. But try to widen your stance to like a V.
Oh, okay.
You can even like lean on the inside of your ski.
Okay.
And that might help
Okay.
grip the snow a little better as you're moving.
Okay, gotcha.
There you go. Make sure you're leaning
That-
forward.
That feels better, yes.
There you go. Nice job. We might just go around it.
Oh,
That's great.
That's crazy, man.
I can imagine what they're doing up at Jackson Hole right now with the ski area.
Drowning up there probably right now.
Maybe if I put these back here. Oh, no. Nope.
Can you fall into those tracks there, maybe? Oy.
So is it Jackson or is it Jackson Hole?
It's both.
Jackson is the city, I guess.
Yes.
Oh.
And the valley is the hole.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
All
That's
right.
the difference.